So Industry 4.0 is really the digitization of manufacturing, and it encompasses a whole series of technologies. There's 10 or 12 kind of what I would call building blocks. It's artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, autonomous vehicles, robotics, automation, and one of those elements is additive manufacturing. And the reason additive manufacturing is such a cornerstone, when you think about how it actually works, you're actually producing a digital file. You're producing a set of parameters that you can then send to a printer anywhere in the world, right? You can produce the parameters here, send them to Japan, have it printed in Japan. So you actually produce a digital file that is the recipe on how that part should be printed. Additive manufacturing is one of the building blocks of Industry 4.0, partly because it produces a digital file, right? So it's true digital manufacturing. Once you figure it out, how to make that part, how to set up the parameters for that printer, what powders to use, you create that digital file and you can make that part anywhere in the world. And you can send that file anywhere in the world. And that's part of Industry 4.0, which is that rapid prototyping, mass customization mentality. The second piece is that you can now produce components along mass customization lines. You can take a component that you make 500 or 600 or 800 of, and you can make a small change to that overnight and produce 500 or 600 or 800 of them slightly different. And whereas in traditional processes, you're doing mass manufacturing of the same thing over and over cost effectively. With additive manufacturing, you can mass customize cost effectively. I'm Colin Osborne. I'm the president and CEO of Samuel Son & Company, and we think that additive manufacturing and Burloak Technologies is really going to be one of the cornerstones in manufacturing.